machine here, and Goldberg, look at the strength, into the jackhammer! The jackhammer! Storm, think about it. Look at Storm up. One arm, here it comes! Goldberg jackhammer! Goldberg making Christian think about it. One arm, Goldberg jackhammer! 280 pounds! Goldberg hooking up Jericho, and jackhammer! The beer, ready for this? Oh, damn! The impact!
The big press slam, drives a few shoulders in, and runs right over.
Curtis that mirrors. Oh, Nunzio.
And he does. Christian grabbing that chair.
Pounds. This is jackhammer. The jackhammer on a 400-pounder.
And unfortunately for Steven Richards, he's on the fingertips right now. Oh, the jackhammers.
To know what's next.
Oh, no. This is bad.
Jackhammer. Sight. No. Jackhammer.
Setting up Goldberg. Oh, no. And he
Has the wherewithal to try to escape, to try to win. No, no!
Oh, what a spear by Goldberg. Goldberg about to explode.
He's snorting down. Spear. He just hit Lynch. Goldberg hit Lynch.
Could be ugly here.
Does he have enough shoulder to do the spear?
Yeah, he does.
Not another one.
Oh, the spear. And I think Goldberg. The Booker T. And right on. Oh, bam. A huge block by Goldberg on the bloody champion. Triple H is up. Will it be? Jackhammer. Jackhammer.
Oh, and the jackhammer slam is in. Oh, baby. Full effect.
Goldberg can't do this. My God, jackhammer. Jackhammer. Goldberg looking to go for a jackhammer, but there. Oh my God, he did it. Goldberg did it. Goldberg with a second spear. Jackhammer.
Richards is smart. He won't get up on the spear.
Oh. With a spear on those. Didn't work. Look out, look out, look out. Go. Run. Yes. Oh, Goldberg does. No. Spear of Michaels. Goldberg. Good God, it's like
Along again. Oh,
bounty or not. Goldberg showing no fear. Oh, the spear was busted open by Mark Henry last week. And look at Mark Henry with a giant bear hug. But Michaels
these two Frenchmen do the typical thing. They should surrender. They're used to that.
go for the power. And that's skin jackhammer.
You gotta be kidding me.
The strength and the jackhammer. Oh. And it's jackhammer time.
Midsection. Oh my God. Whoa. That's a woman in his own slam.
The shattered ankle. No! The spear! And down. Athletic move by the former All-SEC defensive tackle. Territory. He wants that world heavyweight title. Goldberg with another two-shot by Kane.
I think Goldberg got a little overconfident, but wait a minute!
Oh, the spear! The spear by Goldberg!
Lashley's up. Goldberg with a jackhammer.
Retirement.
Oh! Jackhammer. Goldberg looking at the jackhammer. A jackhammer to Lesnar. Here's the... It's coming, God. Might still be coming. Oh! He hits it out. And here they go. And Goldberg. Spear. Spear. Just like... Spear. Goldberg spares the fan. From Goldberg. Spear. Lesnar up. He got him. Goldberg. Jackhammer. He can. He will. Jackhammer. Cover. To the jackhammer. Oh, it's former best friend. The bell is run. The bell run. Spear by Goldberg. Goldberg march into the ring. There's Lesnar. Goldberg takes down Lesnar. Goldberg. He takes Lesnar. Here comes Goldberg. Oh, to the back. No. 5. Goldberg. Another spear. top turnbuckle. Here comes the... Oh, another spear! And another spear! McIntyre right here, right now. Oh, got him up, and a jackhammer! With a jackhammer!